This video gives you the introduction of the principle of inheritance and variation. The principle of inheritance and variation will make you to know about genetics. The study of heredity and variation is under the branch of biology, genetics. So actually what is heredity? The heredity is the transmission of inheritable characters from one generation to the next generation. So study of that heredity and variation is coming under the branch of biology called genetics. So what is genetics? The science primarily concerned with precise understanding of biological properties which are transmitted from parents to the offspring. Here I have given the family of the lion and the dog, and you can see the young ones, the offsprings are called young ones. The offsprings are completely related to their parents. Okay, it means what? There are some biological properties. So what is that biological properties? It is going to be the inheritable characters. So that inheritable characters is transmitted from the parents to the offspring. The study of understanding those signs is called as genetics. Here, to understand about that, here I have given certain example. See, there is a puppy and kitten. So which is resembling the dog is definitely the puppy, no? So the puppy has got all the inheritable characters from its parent dog. So kitten cannot get from the dog because their parent is completely different. Okay, so the young ones will get the inheritable characters transmitted only from their parents. Here I have given the example of humans. Even though a father and mother or the parents, they are not looking alike, and even the children are not looking alike like their parents. Each and every individual of humans are completely different. Why? Because of the inheritable character from the father and the mother. The word genetics is derived from the Greek word genesis. Okay, so what is the meaning of genesis? Is to grow or to become. The word genetics was coined by the person, very famous person. It is William Bettison, W. Bettison, in the year 1905. He is that person where I have given in this picture. So, finally, to know that unit of heredity is going to be the gene. So because gene is the only thing which is going to carry all those inheritable characters. Okay. So gene is an inherited factor that determines the biological characters of the organism. So all the biological character, all the phenotypic character is going to be determined only by the gene. Not only humans, it is responsible for all organisms, even for plant also. And variation, you have to know about variations. Actually, what is variation? I have already told you about humans. Even though we are all belong to the same species, but we are not looking alike. All this because of certain variation happening in our particular gene. Okay, so that variation is the degree by which the progeny differs from their parents. Okay, so what is progeny? Is going to be the young ones. Young ones, progeny, offspring, all are same. Okay, so here and there they would have given in a different form. In this chapter we are going to discuss about four important topics. The very first is multiple alleles with the reference of the human blood groups, sex determination in man, insects and birds, sex linked inherited traits and genetical disorders. Hope you will follow our videos to learn about this topic further. Thank you.